Here we have a nice little bunch of companion plants. We have the stinging nettle here. We have sword ferns here. We've got wild blackberry. Um, the sword ferns grow fiddleheads, and that's what this is. This is the delicious little green in the springtime. It's only this time of the year that you can harvest it. So what you want to do is you want to come in. There's a bunch here, so we're not going to take all of them. I'm just going to take a couple from each one. So snap that off. Snap one here. There's two. There's a few there. Few here. And so when you do that, you're going to let the plant keep growing, and you're going to have plenty enough to make yourself a snack. I love having sauteing these in butter with chili flake and garlic and a little bit of honey to kind of sweeten it up. And you do not want to eat these raw. You do want to cook them, and try different things. They're just a good edible green to cook into your meals. Enjoy.